Okay, we are about to begin. So last time we were able to make the application start with the Flask backend like this. So what was a little different between the two apps? This one, I think it was, I'm not 100% sure. Yes, it may have been either this or this command. I don't know. I think it was this one. Let's see. There must be, okay, vid config. So I was thinking, my main problem here is that, 1 second. Yeah, okay. Okay. So my main problem was that when I see here app.js, I'm a bit confused because what I see in this instruction here, create React app frontend, only gives me a frontend folder which index.html, but I don't see that I have an app.js file. So I don't see how I can actually use the framework to build the front-end separately because there is no app.js. So I have no clue what to do here. I could simply create the index.html file by myself and maintain it myself, but the point of using React is to use the JSX mini language to generate the real JavaScript afterwards. So I have to figure out another way to do it. Right now, I guess I want to try to check this app. It has a Docker file and stuff. React router, okay. So that was React router. Okay. Okay. So that's the command I run to create this folder, app1, and app2 instead is npx create React app frontend. So I could ask it to create the backend, but that bothers me as well. And I don't know what are the options of this script. There is no documentation. So I'm really confused. Maybe I need another. This is for Python. Maybe I need another. Here. So npx create does not complete. No auto completion. You know what? We are going nkdir app3 and we are going to do npx like create React app backend and see what happens. I have no idea how the scripts work. React, React DOM, React script, CRA template. And then we are going to use Vite to see what the difference is, because the last time Vite was used but with React router. And I believe those files take quite a lot of space on disk. I need to check what I'm saying, but this doesn't look free to me. 270 packages. Okay, ls. So now I can check the backend now. Okay, so what is happening in the backend? There is source. Okay. So when, okay, in front end, do you have a source? You do have a source. And the app.js is here. So I'm an idiot. So why is there a diff? Okay. Oh, okay. I think they are the same. The argument is just the name of the folder where everything is going to appear. I really thought that was a special argument to generate a front end, but no, they are the same actually. Let me check that. So we have node modules, check public, check source, check package log, check package check, readme check. Therefore, this is redundant and stupid. I just needed to go to source and modify here the app.js. I just missed the source folder and I have the CSS here. Okay. Whatever this is. Oh, SVG for the logo. Whatever this is. Okay. So this is create React app script. So let's delete. Let's delete. No. Yes. Okay. Now npm Let's create vite test. Oh, okay. Project name. I don't know. Oh, we've done this before. Vanilla view React, and I choose React. So this is the same as React router. But is it going to put a router like the other project? I don't know. So let's go with React. I could try Vue and Svelte. Makes sense to try this. Angular, I don't think so. So let's go React. Oh, TypeScript and React compiler, JavaScript. Oh, okay, so we picked React router here. Okay. So we end up doing the same thing that we did before. But the reason why I don't like this is because I've not seen how to run it with the Python backend with Flask. Because there is TypeScript stuff here. So this is abort. This is abort. I don't even know how to run the TypeScript compiler. Okay. So this is useless. What else do we try here? We want... So I did the build, then I have a client and I have a server and index.js. So this is unusable. Maybe I need to choose vanilla. Okay, the problem is with vite.js. Let's say vite React. The thing is, I have no idea what any of this does, so... Okay. It shows me the options, but I don't know what they mean. I have no idea. What is vanilla doing? This is what I don't want to do. I want to run my own backend. So maybe if I search for that. Yeah, and he's going to do some Docker stuff that I'm not interested in. Let's see. I have to configure it? Are you serious? So this is localhost maybe? What is polyfill? Why does Vite need a server? It doesn't need a server. What is this? This does not make sense to me. Yeah, it's not mature. This is completely beta. I don't want to use a Python module for this. I want to understand how it works. Why does Vite need a server is what I don't understand. Why? So you mean the vid server is for reloading? Okay, so that would be the main entry point. App templates. Oh, and I can use Jinja here. Okay, that makes sense to me. Here's a user guide? Really? That's weird. This looks like a lot of work has been done. Oh, okay, there is no documentation. That would have been weird. If he had good documentation and the project was still in beta, that would have been really, really weird. Okay, so this is fine, I suppose. Okay. Symfony has been alive forever. I think the first time I became a programmer, Symfony already existed. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would be surprised if in 2010 Symfony didn't exist already. I started programming in the 2000s, so maybe Symfony didn't exist, but this is so old. Here is the Wikipedia for Symfony. This has to be 20 years old, yes. As I said, between 2000 and 2010. It's exactly 20 years old. Okay, so Laravel. And Laravel is the same thing as Symfony. Must be 20 years old also. Oh no, 15. It's much younger, okay. Do I have a choice? I'm using... I don't want to use the integration. If anything, I want to make the integration myself. Okay, so what do I need to do? And this is stupid that, I don't know, this is so complicated. I guess I need to read the docs to understand what he does, but Why can't they do something simple? People are addicted to complexity. That's it. This is complexity addiction. That's the only explanation. Okay, so we are going to remake the app 3 and go vanilla. Damn, I don't know, because the router might be needed. The problem is I don't know what to do with this. There is a server folder and a client folder. What a pain. Okay, what is vidconfig? There is no vidconfig. Oh, there it is. So we have React router, tailwind, define config. Tailwind, React router, resolve, TS path, true, whatever. Cores, what does cores mean? So we have define config. What is cores? Command server option. Main.js. There is no main.js here. And I don't want the Docker stuff. I suppose there is a reason why I'm not a web developer. Because I don't have control over the resources. When I see this like import from whatever, does not inspire confidence. I suppose it's inside the node modules folder here and I could look at the source code, but it does not inspire confidence. Okay, what else? What's the readme? Oh, there are some explanations here. Okay, let's try to read a little bit. So, React router, server-side rendering, hot module replacement, asset bundling, data, whatever. Type script by default, tailwind, React router, whatever. npm install. This is not what I want to do. I'm so bored, I'm yawning. Okay, the Docker stuff is to deploy to Amazon or Google or Azure, whatever. Okay. But I don't want to run Node. Why is it the case that you assume I want to run Node.js? I don't want to run Node.js. Why are you like this? I don't want Node.js. I will just generate a vanilla something because and what this Babel stuff. I feel like a lot of steps are skipped in the tutorials. They are not teaching you how the thing is actually working. You got a few developers who are making the scripts and the commands, making it easy for others, but actually it's not a service, it's just obfuscation. So what we are going to do, and then let's see this. We're going to pick vanilla so that, oh, what is others? No. Let's see, vanilla. I just want to know. Okay. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. Okay, I have no idea which I should use. This, you know, is completely useless. So you get an answer that doesn't tell you how to run the compiler. Okay, so this type script becomes this JavaScript. Wait, what? It creates a function here, a lambda, with another function inside of it? Oh, this is a class. Okay. Weird. With a constructor here? Okay. There's another answer here. Oh, you can almost rename your JS file to TS and start using TypeScript. Okay. This is Babel. Oh, Babel is to compile to all the versions of JavaScript. Okay. Need to upvote this answer. Good job. Okay, optional typing, whatever. I don't care about that. ID, new check, whatever. Why do I care? This is what I need. Okay, now the question is even if I have a compiler, I don't know how to invoke it and make it use the JavaScript stuff. Let's see. Mm. Oh, it's a transpiler, it's not a compiler. Okay, whatever. That's not the question that I want answered. Okay. Okay, whatever. Well, I'm going to try the TypeScript stuff, but npm start now? No. It's going to do npm install and npm start, I think. Okay, let's do it, even though I want to do npm run build. Okay, let's do this. Come on, go away. Okay, so now it's different. I have a TS file. What is a schema? Oh, okay. So it shows that there is something going on here. And then some random links. Okay, let's enter to show help. Okay. I'm not getting anything done. So I have my index.html and it's very simple. God damn. Okay. The problem will be eventually routing, I suppose. I think I can serve this easily. So I have a TS config. Oh, okay. So because I have a TS config.json, it knows how to invoke the TypeScript compiler. And I have all the options here. Okay. And the include is a src folder, which here contains all the TS files. This is the counter. It has export, setup counter. Takes an element. Oh, okay. So that's the inner HTML of the button. Okay. Add event listener, click, set counter, counter plus 1, set counter 0. Okay. But main should import counter, yes? Yes, it's importing setup counter from counter.ts. And it can import PNG, SVG, okay. So now it gets the document, and inside app it modifies. What does this mean? Index, this is the app, and here it's going to fill the app with all this. Doesn't make sense to me. Writing this by hand does not make sense to me. Oh, okay, and it's a backtick also. So the backtick is a string. Maybe it's a string with indentation. I don't understand why you can't choose a normal quote. Setup counter, query selector, counter. Whoa. A setup counter. Is calling the function on the button. This is a variable. Const take a number, set, and add event and set counter 0. So basically this that is written here could have been just replaced with the content that is here. It's an import that is not very useful from what I can see. And the counter itself, where is it? It must be, okay, there it is. So that makes sense to me. And if I had done it with JavaScript, I would get JS files instead of TypeScript files, and I would not get this TypeScript config file here. Okay. Now the question is, look at this again. Yeah, this is disgusting. This is just disgusting. This React router thing is disgusting. I don't want to see it. Is that Tailwind CSS? All these definitions here with class names. The roots. Yeah, I don't have any confidence about this. Maybe this is the correct way to do it, but I don't trust it at all. Oh, can we get anything done today? Is the question. So it looks to me that this app 3 is the same thing as this app 2, except that this one is JavaScript and this one is TypeScript. Oh, let's okay, and can I do npm like run build? Oh, TSC is the compiler. Okay, so that's a TypeScript compiler. Okay, let me see. It's way too complicated for what I need to do. People are just addicted to complexity. Where's my build folder? It's dist? Wait. They changed the name of the build folder. Interesting. This must be configured somewhere. It has to be configured somewhere. Doesn't matter. So this is the final file. Cross origin. Huh. Assets. So it's going here. And it's picking up the script, the CSS, and the images and everything. Here you get the favicon. So I could... Alright, let's try this. We are going to make Flask free. know what I want. This was and then you will get here and we serve index.html. The difference is not that big actually. I can work with TypeScript here, or I can work with JavaScript here with app.js. Oh, wait. With this, I have how do I say this? I have the JSX, and if I choose, oh, okay, so vanilla, I don't have React actually. This is what I have. Aha. And you can use, oh, okay, maybe that's why there is a backtick. With the backtick, you can use something like the bash syntax here for the variables. Maybe that's the reason why it's like this. Okay, if that's the case, first let's try to run it. Oh, it works. Okay. That's good. And we got the right title here. Okay. So now it's just up to me. What do I want to do? I guess. Oh, and this does not give me a Git repository by default. I have to run Git init myself. Oh. Okay, I need to try something else again. Yeah, I need to try something else again. So I have vanilla, view, React, Svelte, solid, Ember, blah 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 blah. So if I pick React, then I need to think about this and the router. Can I add the router later? Or maybe I should try a different router. Ah, damn. People are really bad dancers. Okay, let's try to understand the competition. Okay, this is not mature. We release new version practically every day. I've been fixing two things and breaking another one. Okay, that's something to avoid. Um, I don't trust this thing. Okay. Oh, there is React Router versus React Router DOM. Don't you use the two together? Oh, the music is finished, really? Hmm. Interesting. Right. This is browser router. Okay. Nav link. Okay, so I need React router. I kind of knew that, but the problem is their packaging sucks. I do not want what they've done. The Docker file I don't want. I could just delete it. This config here. And they assume I want to deploy to Node.js. I don't want Node.js. And when I run build, I get some crap. Where is it? Wait, no, that's not the correct app. Here, when I do build, I get client and server. So this is useless to me. I don't want to deploy to Node.js. So there must be some kind of configuration software, some kind of configuration somewhere where I can change that, but there is no documentation about it. See this client server stuff. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's just garbage. Where is the source? Here I have a source folder, right? If I open this, I have a source folder as well. Okay. So this is fine. Here, I don't have a source folder, I have a nav folder. Some more routes, and I have no idea how any of this works. What is this route? Is that the main? Oh, this is app. This must be the main. Outlet, what is outlet? This is what I'm talking about. The complexity is too much. I want you to give me an index.html file. Is my problem here. What I'm doing here I can. This is. It doesn't work. It does not build an index.html file. Index here. And I don't know where the compilation starts. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. I can't figure it out. So maybe I can take app 3 here, this app, and add React router afterwards. Standalone thing, and then I must choose which mode. So I suppose, no, not framework, data, declarative, everything is complicated. We are doing too much. There's too much stuff. You see, they assume server-side JavaScript runtime. This is wrong. The backend runtime does not have to be Node.js. So, what am I supposed to do? And there is no answer? Nobody is answering. Oh my god. This is so terrible. I don't get the answer that I want. Are you serious? We are doing this manually? Okay, I need to read this more slowly. React is loaded in index.html. React router and Babel transpile the JavaScript, blah blah. And this is the application, app.js. That's all? That's not a lot of code. That looks really simple. Let's say as quickly as possible, but this is wrong. Wait, what? Universal React without Node.js backend? What is going on? He's doing it in C? What is this? Okay, so Python app server, this is my case. Swing, okay, that could be my case too. I'm not sure about that. Huh. Oh, okay. So he wants to do it with Lua, Go, and standard JavaScript. You see how complicated it is? That this guy needs to create a whole project that is still unfinished 12 years ago, still not finished, to manage to use React router without Node.js. What is this blog about? Yeah, okay. They assume Node.js, so no. I'm out of here. This is a bad website. Um, and that's why you hate frameworks. They make too many assumptions about how the technology is to be used. And yeah, Express.js is Node.js, so I don't want that. Oh my god, this is terrible. Garbage technology. How are we going to do that? The routing part will be necessary, but I do not know why. The build does not generate index.html. Where does it find the instructions how to build? Yeah, too many modules here. Hmm. You mean I can just add the router to the vid config? Is that the way to do it? Where is my vid config? Oh god, I don't see the vid config. There is only ts config. So I need to add this file, okay? I don't even know if that's going to work. Why is this red? Oh, wait. That's not the same thing. The ts config is a JSON file. Okay, let's save it and rename it. Come on, rename. Okay. Oh, this is the build command. Okay. So when I do npm run build, it's going to run this command. Run the compiler, the TypeScript compiler, and then do a vite build. Okay. And this is where I change the version. Okay, and it depends on TypeScript and vite for these versions. Okay. What is the lock then? Maybe the lock is a full list of dependencies. I have no idea what this is. Okay. Let's recap. So we have define config, tailwind. Okay. Let's simplify. Let's not do the tailwind stuff. Okay. Let's simplify this. So here I should have my React router. So this should work. This tutorial looks good actually. Why the tutorial is not at the top of the list? Look all the garbage that I have to scroll through before I find the tutorial. This is complete nonsense. Complete nonsense. If you want people to understand how to use your thing, put the tutorial at the beginning. Damn, such incompetence. Oh, that's why there is an outlet, because that's how their framework works, I suppose. Okay. I want to... This is empty. I want to try to see... No. Is the build going to work here? Ah, okay. I knew that was not going to work. Cannot resolve React router dev vite invite config.ts. So it's compiling the TS file automatically. Okay. Module not found, treating it as external dependency. Okay. So how do I React router dev it? Wait, what is this? React router dev it. So this means package no, not the lock. React router dev. Oh, I can have the tailwind here. Oh no, the tailwind is here. What do I do? I don't know. Let's do this one. Dependency. Okay. Dev dependencies. So you have dependencies for production and dependencies for dev. Still not found. Oh wait, npm start, npm install. I have no idea what this audit is about. Does the build work now? That's a different error. Oh, could not find a root. So this means my npm install worked. Okay, so now app root.tsx. But I have source. What does this mean? Can I not use something else? Damn, this is retarded. Because if I do run build, is going to give me a dist instead of a build folder. It must be in the source code of the module. Where is it? It should be installed somewhere. Nope. I don't see it. Is it this one? Oh, it has binaries? No. This is a nightmare. But I mean, it's the only way it's going to work, so... Oh, whoa. There's all this code? I don't need this much code. Let me see. Let's copy this. Oh, I cannot... Oh, it works. I thought this would not work. Why does it work? During coding game competition, I thought it didn't work. The copy paste. Suspicious. Oh, that's TS. Oh, no. It wants the routes now. So I need another file. Export default. So routes.ts. What is the difference between TS and TSX? Oh, you mean TSX is like JSX. Okay, I see. So that export default, something like this. What is this? React router build? Oh, and now I can add my own server? I can also use React Router as a single page application without a server. Huh. I don't understand why they assume that people do not know how to run their own server and want to host somewhere else, like this or Azure or Amazon. This doesn't make sense. You can run your own cloud. It's not that difficult. This is so stupid. I don't understand this. Set type égale module. I don't see. I don't see how that works. I guess I know how to do the whole setup, so I can delete it, make a git init, and see the modification when I run the commands. So this was vit at latest with vanilla TypeScript. And I'm adding React router to it. You know what? Let's do the Why is git inner populated with this value? Oh, you mean the git? No, wait, this is too weird. Did the git folder already exist? This is strange. Anyway, the defaults are not bad from what I see. Logs, the node modules, dist. I could add build too, but let's see. Wait, there isn't a build folder here? Oh no, because it's becoming a dist folder. This is strange. I want to start from the beginning. I'm going to nuke it and restart. Okay, let's nuke it. Okay, npm install run dev, but I don't want to do that. Oh, there is a git ignore already. So it was waiting for me to do git init. So that comes with a git ignore by default. Why is there an index.html already? That's dubious. So public, just some images. Source has a counter and some stuff. But the index is there. Interesting. I expect the index to be only in the dist or build folder. I don't expect to have it here. Okay, that's what it is. Git add star. All the sources, public, package, tsconfig, and git commit -n. Actually, let's do it like this. Oh wait, that's too much. Set. Okay. Why does not it work? finally. Alright. That's what I want to see. Okay, now we have a bit of history for when we do changes. Next was to oh yes, we wanted to add the router, so we need the vit config that is here. Tailwind. I guess we can have the tailwind. But do I need to edit the package.json? Yes, I think so. So React router and tailwind. Oh, okay. Wait. Node is what I do not want. So this. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but this looks good to me. What I don't understand is why I have a duplicate here. Let's see if we can. I think doing exactly what is here might be the smarter choice. That way wait, did I modify the correct file? Oh shit. I didn't want to do that. Oh god, great. So now if I do not put these packages, what is going to happen? Is it going to update the packages by itself? I don't think so. Oh, he added some packages? Is it that smart that it can update the package.json? No. What happened there? Wait. Okay, he's been installing some modules actually. But I don't think he installed only TypeScript and Vite. I don't think there is React anywhere. Yep. Let's see if it can install what is needed by itself. I don't think so, but... Okay, this is what I don't understand. So before running these commands, I want to try and see what happens there. So because it's not been added to package.json, it's not updating. Oh, the log changed. Okay, so... Let me see this file. Oh, that's a new file. Okay. So, is it in git ignore? What's the name of it again? Package log. Nope, it should be there. I think. I don't know if package log should be there. Let's add everything. Wait, what? That doesn't change anything? What is it trying to do here? Inside package.json. I don't understand what they've done here. Oh, wait. The tip module was already there. So that's probably why the command didn't do anything. Okay. So that was useless. And then npx react router build. First, let's add the dependency correctly. Can't I? I'm looking for a way to install React Router as a dependency automatically, but I don't see. Init minus y. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's how you install the dependencies here? I should have done this first. This is what I didn't want to do. I know what this command does and I don't like it. I didn't do that. Then the app. I is for install. Okay, let's do this thing. And if I do this, what is this error? Okay. D still doesn't work. Okay, something is strange. What is this? Oh, he's writing this to package.json. TypeScript, read, libc. That's a lot more dependencies than what was there before. Yeah, just more dependencies. And the main is index.js, so I can define the main file. Oh, that's not minus E, that's E alone. E, it's I. Okay. Was React Router added there? I don't see it. What is this? Added cookie. What is this? React and React Router were added. Okay. but I don't see it in the dependencies. I'm not understanding what is going on. So React router, I don't want node. I don't want serve. Is bot, I don't know what that is. Give me React and React DOM. Oh, React router is here. Okay. Scheduler, set cookie parser. Okay. Okay. 85 packages. Wow. And 4 vulnerabilities, whatever. So I guess I didn't type the command correctly. The last time I didn't put the @ symbol before React router, yeah. I didn't put the @ symbol, so... And now it's here. Oh, dev dependencies, okay. And this was upgraded to Vite 16. Okay, so he's upgrading the packages also. So minus D must mean dev. This minus D here must be dev, and this must be install. So now we have way more stuff. Babel. Mostly Babel actually. It's all Babel. ISC, I don't know. Oh, that's the license. Yeah, it's all Babel. Oh, what? PPC 64? This architecture, we don't care about it. Android, okay. ARM64, x64 Android, Darwin. What is this? FreeBSD, Linux. Okay, a lot of operating systems and architectures. Again, remapping, WSM. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. I don't know what this does. Binding, rollup. dead code elimination, that's a compiler technique. Browser list. Conf box, convert source map cookie. There's a lot of stuff here. libc, chromium, esbuild, escalade, exit hook, xsolve, tensync, isbot. I didn't want to install isbot, but it's there now. JS token, JSCSC, JSON 5, Lodash, LRU cache, MS, node releases, pmap, damn. The entire node library is getting downloaded for this Pate. What is Pate doing here? That's a cinema. Package types, feature, React DOM, router. Redir, rollup, scheduler server, set cookie parser, browser list, wow. Yeah list? What is this? Okay, we are done here. So, at least this has been done correctly, except for React router node and serve. I don't think I will use that. So this has been done. This has been done, I believe. So now module has been set, and then npx react router build. So wait, what? That's all? Oh, only the packages were modified. Okay, that makes sense. So we are going to I hate this. Why does it keep expanding like this with 8 tabs? That's annoying. Let's make a list instead. So npm minus init y, was it? No, it's init minus y. Okay. Okay, this is correct. Now let's try npx react router build. Oh damn, he wants node. What if I don't want to use node? I don't want to do that. I don't want to create an Express server either. Why do they keep doing this? This is not what I want. Oh my god, what is it so painful? I think this Stack Overflow page is good for what I'm doing. However, still, I have no idea how. I'm really getting tired of the assumption that everything has to go through Node.js. I'm really getting sick and tired of this. Or you can do it with raw JavaScript instead. Hmm. Someone explained to me why I have to use Node.js. Is the minimal version the way to go? What he did last time was to... Oh. There is a dot file here? Future server? Whoa. Really? Damn. The build folder. So do you mean I should... But this doesn't make sense. I have assets here. Should I create index.html myself inside of client? I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. Look at all this code. I don't want to run Node. SSR false. Oh, that's what I wanted. Oh my god. Finally, I think we got it. It's something that we read before, but we didn't understand, so... There are two ways to this. There is a React router config here, and you put SSR to false here. And from here, I don't know how I would do it. I guess I have to copy it. Future here, I don't know. I don't know if I need this. So basically, should we restart the project again? I don't see an alternative. Let's remove this. and just see how it works. Still doesn't work. It really wants a node. So what did he do? His bot was added to package. Okay. Module not found. What is this? Why does it have another package.json? Oh, this is already React out or not? What does not he found? Dev. Do you mean I did not install? Come on, come here. Only serve, we didn't install the serve, but this was installed. So I don't know what he's complaining about. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, it's not been installed. This was not installed. Is that what it's saying? But I did install it. Ah, this is annoying. Let's see. It's there. We added this, and this is already cannot find type definition for vid client. Let's install it normally without the -d. And now it's doing something. Oh, the build worked actually. That's oh, that's why there is we need to do the future stuff. Okay, at least we have a build. So but it's the same jazz with client here. That's not what we wanted. And then we put this configuration. Okay, let's do the... Where is it? Oh, we have it to true. We want false. God damn it. And the future. Let's put the future here. So now... What happened here? I have no idea. Oh, dev true is removed from the package log. Wait, that's all? Oh, wait. It's there are other files, right? Okay. And now I have index.html. Okay, so the problem was server-side rendering. I had to put it to false so that I can use my own backend. The documentation is disgusting, honestly. Forcing you to assume a Node.js backend is disgusting. And the fact that the tutorial is at the bottom of the menu is also disgusting. Okay, so now we kind of know how it works. And I'm going to end it here. We are not going to test the routing because I'm just tired of this garbage. Okay, now it's insulting us like this with a console log, whatever. Now, this is really terrible. Oh, I need to save the work that we've done also. Not found. Oh, there is no index.html at this address. So build client. Hello world. Wonderful. Okay, so we got it to work, and next time we are going to do the login with Flask login and maybe OAuth. And we need to build a database for the users and do the login. And also I need to git commit what we've done. Okay, so so here, I don't know. Yes, what I was saying. Okay, I think I got it. And now we're done. That's 3 hours. That's not. That's bad, but that's not too bad because we actually made progress in this episode 5 of Software Engineer Learns React.js in 2026. So if you watch this video, feel free to leave comments for things that I could have done better. Otherwise, thank you for watching and like, subscribe, whatever.